To simplify the square root of 70, my first step is to take the factors of the number underneath the radical sign. So in this case, to factor 70. So let's do that. To factor 70, my first step is to create a prime factorization tree. That is a tree that will show me all of the breakdowns of the factors of 70 until I get down to prime numbers. And there is the prime factorization tree. I can see that 70 breaks down into 2 times 35, and then 35 breaks down further into 5 times 7. So my prime factors of 70 are 2 and 5 and 7. Now that I know my factors, I can use them to rewrite the original expression using those factors. So I can say that the square root of 70 equals the square root of the factors, the product of the factors of 70. So in this case, radical 70 equals radical 2 times 5 times 7. My next step is simply to circle the like pairs. So when I look at 2 times 5 times 7, I see that I have no like pairs. There's 1 2, 1 5, and 1 7. So there are no pairs for me to circle. The next step is to cross out the pairs and move them outside the radical. But as we just said, there are no pairs to cross out and move outside the radical. And if there are no pairs, then there is no way to further simplify the radical. So radical 70, or the square root of 70, simply remains the square root of 70. There is no way to simplify that any further.